get up before 5 o'clock. At least get up before 5 o'clock. If you're in a temple, then you get up before 4 o'clock. Because you have to attend the Arati at 4:30. But if you're at home, at least make it a point to get up before 5. Because the morning hours are very, very important. Morning hours are in the mode of goodness. Morning hours are very serene, very peaceful. You are peaceful after a good night's rest. And whatever you do will have such powerful effect when you do things in the morning, especially hearing, reading, chanting. The best time is in the morning.